Niggas is gonna hear their names and they gonna wanna respond too.
Yeah, tell us about the, you know what I mean, the Cave Gang Dot Mob thing, man.
Oh yeah, you already, nigga. Salute to the whole cave, salute to the Dots, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Officially the newest member of the Dots, you know?
Yeah.
Got some things in the works, man.
Okay.
Got some things in the works, you know?
Who reached out?
I mean, I was chilling and shit, salute to my nigga, you know, Jeezy, bro. You know what I'm saying? My nigga Glenn, out of Maryland, you know what I'm saying? B1 and shit. Nigga reached out like, yo, listen, that's my nigga, you know what I'm saying? I was kicking it with my nigga anyway. He been, you know what I'm saying, like, so you need to stop fucking around, you know what I'm saying? Hey, yo, you really killing these niggas, son. You need to, you know what I'm saying, strong back behind you, this, that, and the third. If the nigga hit me, he was like, yo, son, this nigga Rex, you know what I'm saying? Said, yo, reach out to him, gave me nigga number. I'm like, yo, son, nigga, you fire, nigga. You know that cloth the same. Hold on, come in there, big bro. Dots up.
Listen, man. Hey.
Dots up.
That nigga went to fucking work tonight, man. This is gonna keep going. I don't know what you niggas think, but my nigga went to fucking work tonight. Facts. Stop all the shit you heard. You know what I'm saying?
Bro.
Harlem, Brooklyn shit, man.
Yeah, son. Nigga hit me up, he was like, yo, look, bro, we gonna this, that, and the third, we gonna get this, that, and the third worked out, you know what I'm saying? Everything gonna be good, you know what I'm saying? So, man, we just gonna see how shit play out, you feel me? You know, anybody who know me know I don't do things for no reason. You feel what I'm saying at all, you know? And anybody who know me know, but fuck if you don't like what I did, nigga. Whisper.
Before the year end, can we see you on that stage though, that you
Is it possible?
No, man, anything is possible, bro. You know, anything is possible, bro.
No. There's no beef though. It's just, you know, they doing their thing, you doing your thing. There's no.
Oh nah, see the whole thing about it, man. You see, the thing is this. I say it all the time, bro. The truth don't change. Y'all know that. I've been in front of y'all camera. Salute to the old hip hop is real, by the way. Period. Point blank, nigga. But you know, I've been in front of y'all camera a lot, bro. And the truth don't change, nigga. It was never a fucking issue with, you know what I'm saying, URL. You dig what I'm saying? I never had an issue with URL. You feel what I'm saying? Certain shit went on I didn't like. They ain't have nothing to do with URL as a company, you know what I'm saying, or a brand. So, that whole, yeah, that whole, that's how niggas gonna be sounding after Rex Rams.
That's how they gonna be sounding, no voice, just trying.
Bro, they gonna play. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, the whole no contract killer shit, that was something. See, social media took that for what they thought it meant. You know what I'm saying? And threw it out there. Me personally, I just never been the type of person to give a fuck enough to clear what nobody thought about, you know what I'm saying, to clear it up. I didn't care. You know what I'm saying? My no contract killer shit, like I always say, is I've never had to sign a contract with no motherfucking body. No league. You know what I'm saying? There's no league. I got 37 battles. I only got 12 home games in New York. 12 battles in New York, bro. You feel me? So, Steamo.
It's fucking Love Day.
Love Day.
Show off my fucking brother. He came out here, he had a great battle. Him versus St. Mike was epic. Bro, it was a pin lovers battle. It was what it was supposed to be, a pin lovers battle. I got show 2-1 clearly. But y'all make your own decision, because I know niggas gonna say, show you Steamo, you love show up. Yeah, that's my brother.
Facts.
It's a fact. In HB,
but he not a yes nigga though. He never been one.
You feel me? And that's the difference.
Right.
And that's the difference.
The whole Love Day card was kind of crazy, man. What?
Yo,
that shit, the whole card was fire, nigga.
Yo, you ain't seen 8-9 battles this epic, this level of fire in a long time. I promise you this. When we put these shit out, we gonna tell niggas that was the same day. That was the same day. That was the same day. Niggas were like, what? You serious?
He wasn't there.
You missed it. You had to be there.
Facts.
Shout out to Ciroc, Siobhan, K Sleeves, and everybody a part of that. From me, you had to be there.
Free Boom, Free Mills.
Free Boom, Free Mills. Both gonna be home in a good amount of time. One very shortly. My other one, I love you, bro. He be home in a short amount of time too, though.
Facts.
Nothing crazy for me. We be home.
Right.
And I love my niggas, man. Shout out to RBE.
Facts.
Shout out to Adam. He doing his motherfucking thing. Shout out to them. So we go hard, man. Battle rap going to the next level. Shout out to Bullpen, my nigga John. Can't forget that. The Underground Railroad. Y'all hear about it soon.
Yo, John, stop playing with me, bro.
Underground Railroad.
Stop saving them niggas over there, bro. You know what I'm saying? You come cook one of them niggas over there, bro. You know? And then we could, you know what I'm saying, talk about this right here. You feel me, my nigga? Word up. Now I think me and John will be dope. I think that'll be fire. Cause it ain't a lot of battles, you know what I'm saying, like out there that's gonna be competitive. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people doing it for the bread, not, you know what I'm saying, for the love. So y'all niggas better stop doing that shit, bro. Matter of fact, chill, keep doing that shit. Cause the more y'all do it, the more I get booked. You feel me? Word up.
Alright, let the people know, man. Hip hop is
You knew it was
show
that's
off.
a fact, nigga. Hip hop is fucking
great
real,
minds
nigga.
think alike, man.
You heard? That's a fact. You hear me? Nah, man. You already know what it is, man. No contract killer, show off, nigga. I'm a rare breed, nigga. We go fucking hard. Love Day 3. Show over in St. Mike. You heard it from Steam Mo. I'd rather say it was 3. Nah, I ain't gonna. I'll let y'all decide, man. You know what I'm saying? I will tell you this though. That battle was a fucking. That was war. Show off, nigga. Hip hop is fucking real.
Just being on that card, just like Gnome, like I'm there.
Like, I can't lose in front of all these people.
We ain't playing Gnome 7, man. April 8th. Rock was good, boy.
I can't take no L in front of these people.
I'm on my fucking path to greatness.
I have to be the one.
And they wanna get in my fucking way.
I have to be the one winning in front of these people.
That fruit brand will knock your fucking head off, bro. I promise you, my nigga.
I don't care who my opponent is.
Like, you ain't getting no regular falls. You ain't getting no regular chest.
It doesn't matter, you know what I mean?
I can't talk for no reason.
You know what I'm saying? Like, once that crowd starts going crazy.
I can't stand none of you niggas.
When Smack calls me out,
I'm not playing.
I'm not coming in there on no, alright, I'm rocking, this is chess. Fuck no.
That's what it is. Niggas wanna see me on that type of time.
Chess is not, chess can't come in there like that.
Faking with niggas.
And if I come in there like that, it's gonna be a bad night for me.
I'm coming in, when I'm coming in to talk.
you don't really know what's up with me until you in front of me.
And I'ma talk every time.
This is another notch in history for me, like.
When I see Rock, I smell blood on the water, nigga.
I'm coming to hurt this boy.
But nobody ever gonna play chess like I'm gonna play chess. You know what I'm talking about? Ain't Gnome 7. I know he probably felt like I pushed him off the fucking table, like.
That's what happened when I see Rock. Don't ask me that. Don't ask me that, cause that's what niggas wanna see. Niggas wanna just see me.
Man, this shit is gonna get aggressive.
Yo, bro. Niggas wanna see that blood in the water.
Now I gotta bring that picture to life. And it's like the perfect time.
That's what it is. Niggas wanna see me on that type of time. Over. Niggas is gonna hear their names and they gonna wanna respond too.